Hello guys, my name is Lucas and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you the game that we were making on our live lessons. As you can see, I already uploaded into the Google Play Store, so if you want to try this game before you watch this video, please feel free to search Numero on the Play Store or simply follow the link in the description of this video. I'm going to show you the game and the code behind the game. So if there is any feature that you feel interested in, please let me know so I can make a video expanding more on that. So let's begin. First of all, I have everything in one Unity scene. I wanted to try this approach. This game is based on canvas. So everything is actually a canvas button. We don't have 3D objects in this game. So you see a bunch of panels, and the first thing that happens if I play is that all the panels will turn off and turn on the splash screen. Then he's going to ask me, what's your name? So we need to choose a name. For example, in my case, I'm going to choose Lucas because that's my name. And then we can log in with Facebook or with a guest code. So if we log in with Facebook, we need a token. If this is on your phone, it's going to be automatically done if you are already logged in on the Facebook app. The other thing that can happen is that we don't want to log in with Facebook. So the thing I would do is go and use a guest code. So a guest code, it generates a kind of a password on the server and it's returned to the player. So they can remember this string here, this password, and later on they can log in. This password is unique across the server. So if there is any password that matches the username, the user can actually recover their account from another phone, or if they deleted the data on their phone, they can actually log in again using this code. That's one thing that we did part 1, but we haven't finished it because actually I still haven't implemented a way for users to log in with this code again. But it's going to work in the future. There's two things: we can play or we can see our ranking. So our ranking right now must be very low. Lucas, I have 0 points, so my ranking is 14th. And this is the other players that have been playing the top 10, their scores and their ranking. I think you guys are not getting the sound from my desktop. Anyway, it's just some music. I think we can turn that on. Okay, so now you can actually hear that there is sounds coming from the app. So when we press buttons, there is a click sound. And if we actually play, there is music playing on the background. It's just a random music that I found on Incompetech. So it's royalty-free music. And I think it's very, very nice for this kind of game when you have to compete against the clock. So then we can just break the numbers in order. There's 5. I get all nervous when I play this. And once the timer reaches 0, this end game menu comes up, and we have the score. We can try again. We can go back home, or we can actually watch an ad to continue. So this is Unity ads implemented in our game. If we watch the ad until the end, that means a success return, we can play for 10 more seconds from the state we were in on the game. So then we have like 10 more seconds to keep going. So that's a good way to have some revenue from our game. So, and I think now the sounds, you might be hearing it twice because it's being recorded on the microphone and also here. Oh, I didn't think about that. You can try the game if you want to hear the sounds clearly. So that's one thing. Then we can go back home and see our score. Now our score is 130. So now we're ranking 9th, and that's basically the game loop. Oh, and one final thing is that if we close the game, we close our app, and we log in again, we have set our username and our ID here, so it's going to log in immediately and it's not going to ask us for logging in again. So there you have it. That's the complete loop of the game. Do I want to keep updating this game? Definitely. I'm going to keep updating this game regularly. One of the upcoming updates that I want to implement is that when we play, I actually want the game to have combos. So if in a short period of time we press like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will give us a combo and it's going to restore some of the time. So if we can actually go faster and click numbers faster, you're going to get extra time so that you can go even longer. And the other thing I want to do is in the main menu, I want to add a shop so we can buy stuff. So every time you play a game, you earn some coins based on your score. So with that money you can buy upgrades, you can buy skins, and you can buy different kind of things. So it will let the players want to play longer, because if it's just beating the highest score, when they can no longer beat their own high score, they're going to stop playing. And every game that you cannot reach the highest score, you feel like is wasted. But if every game gives you some reward, some money that you can keep, it's going to feel worthwhile. So, oh, and one thing I forgot to show you is that here we can turn off the music. And we can also turn off the sound effects. So now I press the buttons and they have no sound. Yep, so basically that's it. So I'm going to make this video until here. I'm going to use it to show you the game itself. And now I'm going to make another video going behind the code. So make sure to go watch this. There's a card right there in the corner, or you can click the link in the description. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you will download this game and try it. And if you like it, of course, play it. Try to be in the top 10. I'm going to keep updating it, so please support me on this one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been a while. I'm happy to be making videos again, and I will see you all on the next one. Goodbye.